Hey, what's up, guys? As you know, we got Superion, the aerial bots, Fans Toys ETHEREAON. Here's my other masterpiece Transformers. Here, there's Superion. We got Siege Jetfire up there. Yes, y'all. We got all the masterpiece Transformers in that display case. So we're only missing Air Raid. Yes, y'all. The other leg there. The left leg. Yes, y'all. But today got it in. Yes, y'all. Let's see if that's good. Yes, y'all. I'm enjoying some chocolate, some snacks, Snickers. Once in a while, I love some chocolate. Yes, y'all. So I got this from eBay from a nice girl seller. Yes, y'all. Let's see if she delivered. Yes, got ICEMAN. Packaged well. This girl's got it together. Yes, y'all. Is that sealed? Yes, y'all. There's ICEMAN, Air Raid. Let's unbox that. I bought it late, so I paid a little bit more for it. But right now I want to form Superion, and I can't wait till October. Yes, y'all. And Fans Toy sealed. Fans Toy sealed. Yes, y'all. Sealed MISB. Minted sealed box. Yes, y'all. So I got them all now, except for Silverbolt, Maverick. Yes, y'all. Let's unseal this. It is unsealed now. Yes, y'all. Got the ICEMAN booklet. This is strange because it has plastic cover. Strange. The others don't come like that. Unseal that. I'm a Fans Toys expert, and that's strange. Surprised that Fans Toys come with a plastic cover, and the instruction manual is sealed to the plastic. That's strange, but I believe that is MISB. Some instructions. Better read that carefully. Yes, y'all. got air raid. Nice big figure here. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. We got air raid. We're not going to transform him yet. Got some nice guns. Yes, yes, y'all. And alternate face plate, which I don't use that much. Yes, yes, y'all. I'm happy with the face it comes with. Yes, yes, y'all. So, tune in next time. We got Superion. Yes, yes, y'all. And we got the missing limb. Instructions say to be careful about this tab or something. Yes, yes, y'all. Gotta be careful. There's the missing leg. Yes, yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. We will complete Superion in the next video. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. And Superion is complete. No silver bolt. I gotta go a little budget. Not gonna be getting silver bolts. Not now. Yes, yes, y'all. Maybe later. So this is Superion. Yes, yes, y'all. Finally formed the whole Superion. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. That is a success. Got his final leg, air raid ICEMAN. Let's stick him back on the Eternia scene. Yes, yes, y'all. Got one of Goose's guns over here. Yes, yes, y'all. And now we got Superion standing with both legs complete. Yes, yes, y'all. And that is a success. Let's put his lights on. Yes, yes, y'all. I couldn't wait till October for the reissue leg to come out. I went for it now. I went on eBay. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Jetfire, Siege Jetfire in the photo. Yes, yes, y'all. That looks smart. That looks awesome. Love it. Yes, yes, y'all. Is it worth like $1,200? I don't know about that. Especially after you get used to it, you're like, that's great, but it's better to see it at your friend's place than to purchase it. It's that expensive. But I'm happy with it, and I've been collecting Transformers. Been lucky with Transformers. So I had to go to the next level. Yes, yes, y'all. That is a complete set. Minus Silverbolt, and keep tuning in. Maybe that'll happen. Reissue coming out in September. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger. Hey, Tiger. We got Snickers. We're gonna celebrate. Yes, yes, y'all. And I don't want to transform these into plane mode. I just don't want to break these Masterpiece Transformers. So I choose a mode. And I'm choosing the robot, but I'm thinking crazy, like buy another set for the jet mode. And I want another set for robot mode, but got to be realistic. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. That's another success. Maybe I should get stickers for this. Autobot stickers.